Let's talk about the recently launched Huawei smartphone Nova 12S. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1084 by 2412 pixels. Approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies, it has 60 megapixel ultra-wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on EMUI 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Kryo 670 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Kryo 670, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 4G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.29 by 74.96 by 6.88 mm, and it weighs around 168 grams, and the color options black, white, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 66-watt super-fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova 12S has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,599 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 12S smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.